Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to Comprehensive OpenCart tutorial. If you are looking for a powerful yet flexible platform to run your online store, OpenCart is a fantastic option. Today we will walk you through the basics of how to use OpenCart, from installation to creating products, managing extensions, and more. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped to start and run your very own e-commerce store. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is OpenCart? OpenCart is an open source PHP based e-commerce solution that allows you to create and manage an online store with ease. It's come, it's co- it comes with built-in feature like product management, multiple payment gateways, shipping options, and more. With OpenCart, you can customize your store to fit your needs and grow your business. Now let's talk about installing OpenCart. First, you will need a web hosting account with PHP and MySQL support. Once that ready, Once that's ready, download the latest version of OpenCart from the official website, upload the files to your server via FTF, and set the correct file permissions. Then go to your site's URL in a browser and OpenCart's installation wizard will guide you through the rest. Just follow the on-screen prompts and in a few minutes, OpenCart will be installed and ready to go. After installation, it's time to log into your admin panel. To do, to do so, simply visit yourdomain.com and add yourdomain.com/admin, enter your username and password, and you will be directed to the OpenCart dashboard. The dashboard is where you can see an overview of your store's activity, total sales, recent orders, and customer information. From here, you can begin managing products, setting up payments, and more. Now, let's add your first product. To start, go to the catalog section in the admin menu and click on payment products. Here you will see all the products you currently have in your store. You add a new product, click the Add New button. Start by entering the basic details like product name, description, and model number. In the Data tab, set the product's price, quantity, and text class. Make sure to upload clear product images to make your listings more attractive to customers. Under the Links tab, assign the product to relevant categories. You can also set up the SEO URL to make it easier for search engines to index your product. Once you have filled in all the details, click Save and your product will appear on your store. Now customers can start buying. Next, let's talk. Next, let's look at customizing the design of your OpenCart store. To change the theme, go to extensions and select themes. Here you can choose from the default theme or install a custom theme if you have one. You can also modify the layout of your store by using the design tab and the layout section to change how your homepage and product pages look. One of OpenCart's biggest strengths is its extensibility. You can enhance your store's functionality by installing extensions. To add extensions, go to extensions where you can find modules for shipping, payments, SEO tools, and much more. Simply install the extension you need and configure it according to your store's requirement. For example, if you want to add PayPal as a payment method, go to payment under extensions, click install next to PayPal, and then enter your PayPal API credentials. To track your store's performance, OpenCart offers a range of reports. Under the Reports tab, you can view sales reports, customer activity, and even best-selling products. These reports help you make informed decisions and optimize your store for better performance. For example, the sales report shows the total sales over a given period, helping you monitor growth or identify trends in your store's performance. OpenCart offers several marketing tools to help you attract more customers. Under the marketing tab, you can create discount coupons, but set up special promotions and even run email marketing campaigns. By using these tools, you can increase your store's visibility and drive more traffic. To create a discount coupon, click on coupons, then click add new, enter the discount account, set the conditions, and define the usage limits. You can create time limited promotions to increase uh, urgency and sales. Finally, let's talk about system configuration. In the settings tab, you can configure various aspects of your store, including currency settings, language preferences, and tax rules. Make sure everything is set up according to your business's requirements before going live. And that's quick overview of how to use OpenCart to run your online store. From setting up products and customizing the design to using extensions and marketing tools, OpenCart gives you all the tools you need to succeed in e-commerce. If you are just starting out, take it step by step, and soon you will have a fully functional, personalized online store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.